Công Sở Huang, and my ID is 225587094, and this is my presentation. This is my video on explaining the code for the task number one, the past task number one. And I'm sorry first for that I didn't read the the task sheet carefully, so I forgot to record the video because like other subject doesn't require it. So I'm really sorry about that, but I'm gonna do this right now. So we currently at the if statement. I already did it, so I will talk. I will talk about it now. So basically, in OOP in general, or right now specifically in C Sharp, we all have to like define a class first. Now and the class name must be the same as the file name. All the code inside the class will be executed inside the main function. So we have to create main function, here. And firstly, for this for the if statement is basically if else condition. If condition. So we input the number first between 1 and 9, and it will basically print out the number in text. And here you can see that we print 4, it will print input 4, it will print out 4, and if we print 10, which is not between 1 and 9, we will say arrow. Okay, so let's check another one. Let's do with typical analysis. This is for the exercise, so I want to do that. So let's do the check to actually do casting and run it. As you can see, the sum is 17, the count is 5, so we will divide it with this slash. So we're gonna get 2, that, and this is just the type for integer and for double type, But right now, the thing is that why is the second this double average doesn't print out the double type here, which you can see is still 3. Is because this is still the divide of 2 integer number, so it would still be 3. We have to like here divide double for sum, so the result will be a double type number. Okay, that is for do casting. Next, do casting if statement. Let's do microwave. Okay, cd microwave. Okay, and run it. As you can see, we still have a class, a main function. Now for microwave, we will have to like enter number between 1 and 3. This try card is just for like arrow handling stuff. It's kind of like if else. It's not like if else because the try will always be executed first, and caching is just like for arrow handling. So now we're gonna basically type 2 in it. 2. Then we will proceed to the try block, the first try block. Have items. Items will be an integer number. Okay, we read from the terminal. So next, write a single item hitting time in seconds. Basically any. So I'm going to go with 10 seconds. Boom. Yeah. We have 2 items. So right now, if the items is 0, so basically we don't have any items. So the number must be positive. So and the 2, 1 we skip this. Yeah, we're gonna skip this, and for 2 items we're gonna the time going to be 1.5 times for the time we input, which is 10. 1.5 is 15 seconds, so this is 15 seconds. And now we're gonna try to get a try catch. 3 number. As you can see, we're gonna write this first. Any. Gonna see 4 in here. Else is just another condition, but I'm going to try to get the try card to work. So maybe now I'm gonna input some negative number, like -1. Yeah, like this warning. Hidden one to the was recommended. The recommended hitting time is here, because these are not in the 0, 1, 2 or 3, as you can see. So yeah, that's basically it. Or this is integer, so I can just maybe input a double number in here. Gonna do 1 item. I'm gonna do like 10.21.2. Yeah, I will say until valid hit time, because we require an integer, not a double number. So that's it. Here the -1, but it's still an integer anyway. So yeah, that's basically for microwave. Let's go for output analytics. Output analytics analysis. Here we go. And .NET run. So I will go through the code with the output right here. Okay. Now, so the first, basically class a main function. Okay. So for code fragment 1, we will have a height equal to 13. This might be in the question things in the text sheet. But hey, let's go through it anyway. 13, so they had to like cross the low bridge, like should be 12. So we're gonna say like proceed with caution, as you can see. Okay. Since we are higher than the bridge height. For frame 2, this is just lab things. So 21 higher than 20, so will be the execute things. 21. If the height is not 20, then win. So 21 is not 20, then I win. Yeah, right, win. For fragment 3, the sum is 7. If the sum is higher than 20, I win, which is not 7 is not higher than 20, so I lose. Basically. So for switch statement. And just run it. 1819. Yeah, this is just a switch. We're using switch instead of if else. It's just basically if else. So yeah, the output supposed this, and we just put 1. Is it 1? And say anything more than like outside the box, outside of 1 to 9, we say arrow basically. So switch. It's just condition based, like if else, but with better organized. If we say 1, then if we press 1, then this case 1 will be executed. If we say 4, then it will ignore the first three. We will go straight to 4. We'll straight to 4, and when it's done, I'm gonna break, right? But we're still gonna take this. It's gonna break, so it won't check this remaining condition. It will just break out. And we will always have a default condition. It is like the last else condition in the if statement, in the if else condition, right? So the last L will catch any condition that are outside of the if or else if, and for this default in switch statement, it will catch anything besides the cases here. Yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for your attention. Again, goodbye.